about how to interpret graphs in biochemistry. In biochemistry, we use many types of graphs to represent data, such growth curves, kinetic plots, and more. Let's take a look of these graphs. The first graph shows the relationship between enzyme concentration and reaction rate. As we can see, the graph shows a curve that increases rapidly at first, then levels off. This is because the reaction rate increases with enzyme concentration but eventually reaches a point of saturation. The second graph shows a comparison of enzyme growth under different conditions. We can see that enzyme growth varies significantly under different conditions, suggesting that environmental conditions can affect enzyme activity. In this video, we'll focus on understanding the first graph in detail. Let's take a look at this graph, which shows the relationship between enzyme concentration and reaction rate. The x-axis represents the enzyme concentration and the y-axis represents the reaction rate. As we can see, the graph shows a positive correlation between two variables. This means that as the enzyme concentration increases, the reaction rate also increases. This makes sense in the context of biochemistry because enzymes play a crucial role in catalyzing chemical reactions. More enzyme represents the faster the reaction can occur. Now let's take a closer look at the graph. We can see that the relationship is not linear, but rather follows a curve. This suggests that are made by a limiting factor to play, such as substrate ability of enzyme saturation. So in conclusion, this graph shows a positive correlation between enzyme concentration and reaction rate, which is consistent with our understanding of enzyme kinetics in biochemistry. So in resume, we can say that the steps to interpret a graphic in biochemistry are: the number one, identify the type of graph. Determine if it's a bar graph, line graph, scatter plot, etc. Number two, read the axis. Identify what is represented on the x-axis, horizontal, and y-axis, vertical. Number three, understand the units. Verify the units to measurement used on each axis. Number four, analyze the trend. Observe the overall trend to the graph. If there is an increase or decrease in independent variable. Number five, identify patterns. Look for the patterns or relationship between variables. And number six, interpret the results. Explain what are the results mean in the concept of in biochemistry in this case. And that's it, guys. My name is Montserrat, and I hope this information could help you to biochemistry. And thank you for watching.